Welcome. In front of me is an Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. To get started, you will want to open up your settings. So find the icon, click on it, and then swipe all the way down to System, and then scroll down again where you will find Reset Phone. Select Erase All Data, and this will provide you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, which will include, importantly, things like music, photos, and user data. If you see anything here that you would like to preserve, make a backup copy of it before you actually reset your device. Otherwise, this data will be deleted and this cannot be undone. So, assuming you have already backed up your device or you simply don't want to, select Erase All Data. Do that once more. And this will now begin factory resetting your device. This process will take about 2 minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.